Hi guys, I will get started in 6 minutes. I am here. I'm just busy in the Discord sorting a few things out. I'll be with you guys in 6 minutes. Post some questions, tickers, and all that kind of stuff. Remember to like up the stream. I am here. I will be with you in a bit. All right, see you in a minute. All right, what up, guys? Hello, 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 hello. Yes, there is no sound. If you zoom in, Faisal, it says I will start talking at 8:30. I'm convinced people are either blind or they refuse to read. Which one is it, Faisal? Tell me, brother. Let me hear your excuse. Hello, what up? So hail GNPX. Yeah, let me just check these on Twitter, then I'll get back to you guys. NBY we have here, this is your resistance, 9.5, so 0.95. 0.95, I would wait for entries. Other than that, nothing. Maybe above VWAP if you want to wait for VWAP break for entries on NBY. VWAP break equal entries. I think even if I said I will start at 8:30, huge writing, clear as day, people will still ask. They will still ask. Okay, LO. This was a crazy run yesterday. OKLO looks good. You have resistance here, 25.35. 25.35 is your resistance. And then we have these levels here. Then we have 28. These are levels for this. But it needs to hold this into open. This 23.50, 23.5. That is your big area of support. Why is this support? Because here we have 1, 2, 3. We could even use this as our support actually, 2265. There we go. All right, so maybe if it comes down to 2265, you could look for possible entries. Key levels. All right, let's see. Good morning, GNPX. Let's have a look. Like up the stream. Let's like up the stream. We have 15 likes, 50 people. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. GNPX, very nice. 250 is your big psychological level. Hold this into open. You should be okay. At the moment, yeah, you're just chilling, just chilling. It's right about this level. You can move this to $3 now. These are your levels, so it needs to hold this. It's obviously broken out. Maybe high highs, high lows next on this. GNPX, key levels. Let's see what this can do. Yo, Tiger, when can I enter BKYI? Whenever you want. Musabro, whenever you want to enter, you can enter. Whenever you want to, you can enter. For me, I am not entering. For me, I'm not entering. Nothing. If you want to enter, you can enter right now if you want. Keep a stop loss. Where is your stop loss? You choose. I have a maximum 5% stop loss. You can have a 20% stop loss or a 200% stop loss or a 5% stop loss. You are in control of your account. I suggest nothing more than 5%. So that means I will hold your hand through this trade as I do with all my members. This is how you trade it. You enter now, your stop loss is here. Now you aim for 5% here. So this is how you trade. You have 143 as your target. You have 127 as your stop loss. As simple as that. That is called a one-to-one risk to reward. Why is it one-to-one? Because you're risking 1 for 1. Meaning you have $100, you're risking $100 to make $100. Right? So 5% stop loss, 5% target. Now your entries, as I said, you could enter now if you'd like. For me, it's not my kind of trade. All right, GLYC. So for me, the price action is nothing, right? We can obviously see, yeah, probably downtrend here, maybe possible falling wedge. For me, there's not enough price action. I just simply wait to make it easy for myself. So I'll just relax on this one. I won't even be touching it since it is a, you know, sub $1 play. As everyone knows, I don't trade sub $1 plays just because I post the ticker. It doesn't mean I'm in it. I don't trade it. 99% of the stocks that I put on Twitter, I'm not trading unless it's gone and hit my target. But yeah, for me, I would just wait for 0.485. So GLYC, wait for close above 0.485. Close above means the candle body needs to close above. I talk about this every single day. I know we get new people, so I'll explain it to you. The body needs to close above. This can be a 5-minute candle. This can be a 1-second candle. It can be a 0.001 second candle. It can be a 15-minute candle, a 30-minute candle. Whichever candle time frame you desire is the choice of yours, okay? Now, the body needs to close above. If the body doesn't close above, there is no entry. So if the body does this, like it's done 1, 2, 3, 4 times, you do not enter. The body needs to close above. It can be this much. It can be the whole body. Whatever it is, the body of the candle needs to close above. If you don't know what the body is, take your money out of your trading account and start to learn and understand what that is first. All right. Mara, yeah, Bitcoin's crazy. I gave this someone, one of my Discord members actually messaged me about this. They entered over here somewhere around this $40K mark, or 50K, sorry. But as we can see, he's breaking out, very bullish, very, very nice, as expected. Very, very nice on Bitcoin. Congratulations to those who are trading it. I am only in the blockchain plays, so the sympathy to these. Well, I only have, well, I guess APLD, but I'm also in IRE and long term. This is called a bullish flag. So congrats to the crypto traders. Mara, let's It's up 2%, 4 hour, let's see. Yeah, so you broke above this level now, this 1869. Let's move it here. So what I'll do is I'll make this easy for you to look at. So what you have here is your resistance, so 19.05. I'll put it at $19 to make a psychological level. You can then put it like this, right? I like to use blue as my psychological number situation. That's what I do. Then you can maybe look for the prediction. So broken above resistance here. So now this should become support and hopefully it continues to go up. Right, so this is my prediction for Mara. Does it mean it's going to reverse here? Does it mean reverse here? Here, I don't know where it's going to reverse, but there's a high probability around this range. It could be 1940. It could be all the way at 1840. So this is my prediction on Mara. No sound. Yellow is buy. Yellow is not buy. Bivy. Let me have a look at Bivy. Bivy, there's nothing going on, right? So look, let's all look at Bivy together. What do we see? We see a range. We never buy inside of a range because that is gambling. Are we gamblers? No. If you want to call us gamblers, if anything, it would be called an educator gambler, in my opinion. So I would say no red, no trade zone. Did everyone just see what I posted on Twitter? The guy asked me about 20 stocks. Funny. So look, this is your no trade zone. So where are you entering? I'm going to wait for this, okay? I want to wait. And I want to see what people are going to say about this stock. Okay? Now, where are you entering on this stock? Okay? Where? You're going to trade in here? You're going to trade down here? You're going to trade up here? Like where? So, would you trade at this white line or let's say this blue line? Or would you trade down here below this? Right? There's only one answer on this. There's no two answers. 2.5. You see? This is your choice right here. Let me see. Let's see what everybody, if people have learned what they need to do in the situation. What are you doing in this trade? I want everybody, or at least one person, to explain. If you're in the situation with Bivy, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Where are you entering? And so on. Let me hear it. I will wait. I will not move on until we see that someone has learnt and taken in some information. Okay, so we have, correct. People are saying blue above. Okay, now, that's your first point. Now, you need, there we go. Alberto's got it, close. There we go. Batags, well done. There we go. Keep it coming. Eric. Okay, so look. The full body of the candle needs to close above like this. The body must not do this. You're not entering here. You are not entering down here. That is not where you're entering. You are entering only if a 5-minute candle, 1 minute, whatever, if a body of the candle closes above here. If it does not close above here, you do not enter. As simple as that. All right? The body of the candle needs to close above. That's it. So once it's closed above, where's your next resistance? Probably around here, right? 413. Around here. That's what you're waiting for, right? So let me just put it like this. No trade range. These are your levels here. So this is Bivy. Range to after 4. Correct, Harry. Well done, brother. All right, now let me get back to, I'll get to your questions now, guys. Let me go back up now. Well done for those who knew. If you don't, I hope you learned that, what you need to do next time for this play. He needs glasses, right? SHPH, where is this play? SHPH, let's see. SHPH is breaking now below $2. It's just, well, it's at this $2 psychological level. For me, I'm going to just keep it in this falling wedge until we'll see what happens. It needs to hold this $2. Breaks below $2, then yeah, I'm not really interested. At the moment, it's not looking too great because we can see it's coming down, but as long as it respects $2 into open, I think it should be okay. But I wouldn't be trying to enter now personally. I mean, maybe you could try buy 2, have a stop loss like 190 max. Good morning. Wanted to know your thoughts on CRMD. Let me have a look at CRMD. 4%, low volume. Overall trend is bullish. I cannot agree more that this is a very bullish setup. Am I going to buy now? Probably not. I don't know this company or anything about it, but if I'm looking for an entry, I personally would just wait for, I'd wait for a pullback, to be honest, around this support level here, maybe around 1250. So 1250 support, maybe it can do something like this. It's got a lot of resistance. You see this like that. Hopefully it comes down, maybe good buys here, then pushing up like this. Maybe that's what could happen next. Buying a blue line. Arab about to explode. Arab has still got room to 434. This is your major support level here around 305. Right now it's in a bullish pennant. Like this. There you go. Well, a little bit of a bullish pennant, not the cleanest one, but I can get the gist of it. What do you think Fun is going to go up or down? I don't know, brother. Honestly, I personally wouldn't. I never thought it would keep going this close to elections. Elections are next week. DJT looks like it's on its own thing. Fun's down. Excuse me. 10%. Looks like it's been coming down since the beginning of the week. So in my opinion, I don't know. Maybe this is coming down and DJT is lagging and that will come down today or tomorrow. Or maybe this is lagging, this will go up, and because DJT is going up. So for me, I don't know. I just wouldn't be holding through this unless I got in way earlier around this like $5, $6 entry, you know? Because in my opinion, like maybe this might be the leader. I know DJT normally leads the way in terms of the sympathy. Like if DJT goes up, this follows. But we've noticed that now recently, the last few days, that DJT's been going up. This is coming down. You know, there's a little bit of a difference here, so we might have to see what happens. For me, I don't know. I wouldn't be buying Fun now, but I mean, it's been running. What yesterday, pretty much even today, down 10%. So yeah, just trade at your own risk. I'm not gonna. I said what goes up must come down. This thing has to come down, especially DJT. What do you think of thank you, bro. Really appreciate you taking time out of your day, help others. No problem, Sahel, bro. I hope you are learning and making a little bit of money on the side. Simple as that. Here, Fun. Fun's here. LAC. LAC is up 11%. Very bullish chart from what I can see. Is this the... How high is this thing? Oh, this is that lithium. This is that. Okay, look here. You see this? Check this out. You see this resistance here? This has a gap fill. So right now this thing's at 462. You see here 462. So we can mark where 462 is. It's literally near the start of this gap. So, well, yeah. But look, this is where the stock is, right? Currently it's trading here, but you do have a gap fill. This is a very, very good setup in my opinion. Does that mean I'm going to buy it? No, but I do like this current setup. It has a nice gap fill. This means that there is a probability that this can come and fill the gap. What is the probability? I'm not too sure, to be honest, but yeah, it looks very good. I would definitely keep it on watch. And it is a former runner as well, so yes, keep it on watch. I personally wouldn't buy now, but do as you please. But yeah, just keep it on watch. I'll even add to my watch list now. Thank you for whoever mentioned it. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mustafa, thank you. Aloha, good morning. What up, Super Serena? Arab's just chilling right now. Yeah, it's just come down. I would just, your maximum loss is $3. That's where Support breaks below that, it's done. We'll see though. Fun went over fun. Mara, thanks, no problem. LAC went over it above 328. Tiger. Yes, Eric, you are here every day. Come on, Eric, you know, really or not? Eric, you have to know. Lucy, the candle has to close above. I say it every single day. I don't know how you guys don't understand. How do you still not, people still not understand what that means? I know maybe because I do it every day, but I don't think it's very difficult. I literally say it every day. If you've been here every day, you should know. There's no excuse. That's my honest opinion. If this breaks above on the, look here, this is an example right here. This is what everybody can watch together right now. You can watch it. You can use the 1 minute time frame, draw the downtrend. Now, all you need is a candle to close above to enter the trade like this. You see that? If the candle doesn't close above and it rejects, you do not enter. If it closes down here above, that's where you enter. That is why I cannot say enter here or here or here at like 10:12 or 11:38, because I don't know where the stock is going to break and close above. I have no idea. I can tell you that it's in a downtrend, and I can tell you that if it closes above, a candle body closes above the downtrend, that is your entry point. Whether it's a diagonal line, whether it's a straight line, whether the line is like this, or whether the line is like that, that is a downtrend, that is a downtrend, that is a downtrend, that is still a downtrend. Well, this is resistance. All of these are resistance. That's a resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, because look, you are getting trending up and you're rejecting here, right? Same as this. Now look at this. You're doing the same thing here, rejecting it and coming down. And this, same thing, rejecting it, coming down. Same thing here, rejecting it, coming down. Now what's the opposite? Uptrend is like this. A trend can be up like that. It can be up a little bit, right? You can have something like this, up, or you can have something not as vertical, right? Like that. That's as simple as I can explain it to you. Seriously, that's as simple as I can explain to you. Here we can find that maybe it's finding an area of support around this level. So we will see. Around this 10-20-ish level, we'll see. I think it's at VWAP, right? Oh, VWAP's in the way, yeah. All right, so keep this on watch. I'm not going to keep going through it. Just watch it. It's Lucy. Use the 1 minute time frame. All you need is a candle to close above. Lucy popped. Yes, I'll add it to my watch list as well. Thank you, Harry. BKYI, I didn't go over this yet. Actually, I did. No, yeah, I did. Here we go. BKYI is just falling wedge. It's just fighting VWAP at the moment. You've closed, you closed above VWAP, so maybe it could be good. And keep it on watch. Expect it to break out. Expected to break out. It hasn't dumped since the news. It's been a very steady mover since pre-market, as we can see. Yeah, it looks good. Just needs to hold this VWAP. RGLS. Let me have a peek at this. RGLS. What do we have on this? RGLS. We have low volume, 4% up yesterday, 3% now. For me, let me look at the overall trend here. Daily. Yeah, daily is bearish, right? You can see that as the trend is coming down, right? So for me, I don't know, personally, I would just wait for it to break above the downtrend, really, to be honest. Here is your support level at 140. Like this. So just keep this on watch like that. Can you see my setup, how I tweet so quickly? I just have 3 monitors. Well, I have 2 monitors. I have one monitor on my right. I have the big monitor I'm looking at now. And then on the left, I have my Discord and Weeble, the top gainers. But on the right, I literally have my Twitter, so I just copy and paste. It takes me 2 seconds. Rub the crystal ball. I know I need to rub the crystal ball. AREB, what's happening with AREB? Yeah, AREB needs downtrend break. BKYI, I just went over that one. Looks good. It's above VWAP. So look, What is the probability of the stock going up now that it's closed above VWAP? There is a higher probability. It's exactly the same thing. VWAP is the same thing as if it is a resistance line like this. If the candle closes above, which it has here, right? For instance, this is where VWAP is on this white line. That means the candles close above, there's a higher probability to go up. If the candle closes above, there's a higher probability to go up. It's as simple as that. There's no 100% strategy. There's no 100% guarantee it's going to keep going up because of that. But there is a higher probability, probably 70%. All right, thank you for your time. No worries, Robert, bro. What broker do I use? I trade Webull pre-market, and then I use a local broker here in Dubai. Trying to get Webull out here, to be honest, to like the Middle East area. Difficult though, a lot of compliance shit and all that. I'm thinking of I might move to IBKR though. Might be. Visa, I don't know. Visa's a bit weird right now. Yeah, Visa. For me, I mean, Visa's trending high. It's broken this high here. Well, that's the high, but it's breaking this resistance here, 205. I say if it closes above 2, you should be good. If it holds 2 into open, then yeah, probably there will be some volume, because it's important that this has volume, because if it doesn't have volume, it'll just reject and come straight under $2 again. So this is your level, then you have here all the way up. See this? 236. So here are your levels. So close above here, then you have not 236. You have this resistance 220, then 236. SEPN, let me have a look at this. What is this? IPO? I mean reverse split. $23.50. All right, cool. Visa is Porch fighting. Porch. For me, Porch, nothing at the moment. Yeah, nothing. 20 above 2.25. Above 2.25, you can look for entries. Close could be on the 5 minute or 1 minute, 20 minute, whatever you desire. Twig, there's nothing on this for me. Absolutely nothing. I'm not touching something like this. There is no reason to be in this, to be honest. I mean, you be the judge of this. Guys, like, this is nothing for me. Yes, maybe dead cat bounce play. I know people like to trade this stuff, but for me, it just doesn't fit my strategy, so I just don't really look at something like that. NBY, nothing for me. Have it on my watch list. I'll just put it here for Hassi. I know this is a former runner. If I had to force an entry on this, which I don't, but here maybe above 7262, because here's resistance, break above, you have range to there, and then all the way there. Was there news on Lucy? Best thing to do is type it on Google or YouTube. I mean Twitter. You'll be able to find it. I don't see anything on Lucy. No. You can have a look on Twitter though. Just type in Lucy and go to latest, and you'll be able to see. GLYC, nothing on this unless there's a close above 4850. So you're not entering now because it's in a downtrend. I think it's below VWAP. It's very bearish. No reason to enter. HCTI. What's happening with HCTI? You are currently in the demand zone-ish area. Let me see. Yeah, so this is your demand zone. Last red candle for the move, like this. So we have... I don't know, in my opinion right now, I know there's a lot of talk on this. I don't know what's going on with it, but for me, there is nothing really going on because I'm not looking to enter this unless it gets above at least 140. Wait for 140 break. So ACTI, 140 break equals entries. All right. VCIG. VCIG, let me have a look. Okay, VCIG is running, added to my watch list. I know it's sub $1 play. I won't be touching it, but let's take a look. We have 4 hour, daily. So yeah, the daily's broken out. We're at 0.1176. We're around here. We're at a big level, so something around here is our resistance. Let's check here, 5 minute now. Yeah, 4 hour, you have a big resistance here, 1125, and look, it's literally rejected it on the dot. So for me, I don't know, I would just wait and let this thing come. Look, just think about this logically. It's the highest point of the day, right? That means if you're entering now, you are FOMOing and you are chasing. This thing's up 47%. I guarantee you this stock will come down. It will come down. I don't care how long it will take. It will come down. When it comes down, you draw the downtrend. When the downtrend is broken, then maybe you can look for your entry. What time frame? You can use the 1, 5, 15, whatever time frame you desire. British? No, I'm not British. I'm from South Africa. I grew up here in Dubai. I went to a British school and then studied in the US. Played college golf. How about Fubo? Save? I don't know. Save's trash. Fubo. This is I think it's a large float or higher float. So this is going to need some buyers. But it hasn't ran in a while. So 14% yesterday. I didn't even see it. So yeah. These are your levels here though, 186 and 218. These are your two major resistance levels. So if you break 186, then you have room to 218. But in between that, you always have that psychological level, which is $2. So these are your key levels for Fubo. At the moment, the chart is bullish. Complete newbie on over here today, my second day at this. Nice. Take it slow. Please don't full port anything. Do not full port, meaning do not take all your money in your account and go into one trade. I suggest if you have $1,000 in your account, trade with 10%, which is $100. Do not full port. Learn how to trade first before trying to put all your money in. And make sure you have a stop loss. It's the most important thing in trading. If you don't have a stop loss, you need to learn and understand what that is. SHPH, demand zone. It's literally around here. Well, this is a huge demand zone, to be honest. I have it around this $2. Like, you could use this maximum, like, 189 demand zone. But we just put it down a little bit, something like that. Just clean it up. There you go. So yeah, it's holding on, it's holding on. HCTI, yeah, I just went over that. NXL, what's happening with NXL? NXL has low volume. We are finding an area support right here, 1 hour, let's check it out. Yeah, there's more. So we have found an area support around here, 205, psychological level. All right, $2, 205. See it there like this. I would say you have your resistance here. This is a clear resistance at 231. If a candle closes above here, you have clean range to pretty much like 250, because range here, then you have this resistance here, and then you have here, then here. That's where the exactly MBY as well. MBY, I have it here. MBY, just wait for 0.7262. All right. VCIG, let's have a look. So look, we can even do this. This is your major resistance here, right? This was your previous resistance, 0.1075. 0.1075. There we go. So you broke above this. Now maybe you can retest it to continue to go up. These are your levels here. VCIG, breaking resistance. So this is a resistance line because we have the most rejections here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see that? Then you should be good. FOMO. Ever play golf on Sea Island, Georgia? No, I did not. I played... I can't remember the course names, to be honest. I played a lot of them. Most Tennessee, Indiana, Florida. Listen to him. Thank you. Lucy entry. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah, so this was your entry here. This candle closed above, or this one, whichever one you choose. So like this, even if you wanted to do that, that's your candle, first candle closed above. From there, you look for 5%, which it ran 7%. So yeah. If you're in, you're in. If you're not in, it's okay. Do not chase and FOMO. LIXT, what's happening with this? This thing looks like it's just ranging at the moment. I'm going to remove this. 226 is your resistance. So I'd put something like that, 226, close above, then you could look for your entries on this. So we have LIXT, wait for close above 226. All right, guys, I'm going to stay here for another 10 minutes. So make sure you like up the stream. All right, like up the stream and show the support, and I will stay here for another 10 minutes. All right. So yeah, like up the stream, whatever you need to do, send this to your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. Let me have a look and see. Roma is nothing on this for me. Roma, I don't know. I can't trade something like this. Roma. Yeah, Roma needs $1. See this, in order for this to stay above $1, it needs volume. Volume is what keeps this play alive. What keeps any play alive, but volume respects technicals. Low volume does not respect technicals. All right. Roma needs to hold $1 into open. Low volume, low volume, low volume, low volume, low volume, low volume. Got 3% on BKYI. Let me have a look at this thing. What did it do? Here we go. We're just at VWAP though. I wouldn't even say this isn't even a falling wedge. Like this is more of a bearish pattern, but we'll keep it like this for now. Let's see what it does do. Let me just keep $1 on the watch because that's the most important level to see. And we have a demand zone here as well. Nice. Thank you for the free class. No problem. It's not a free class. I'm just doing some live training for you guys. But I guess you could say it is as well, I guess. MGRX. Former runner. Nothing, nothing, nothing. MGRX, very bearish. I don't like something like, yeah, this is no bueno. Strong downtrend right now. Strong downtrend. Let me have a look and see what else is moving. Refresh the page. So nope. Nothing really. So we have Lucy. We have BKYI. We have LIXT. We need to wait for 226. Candle close above on this. Then you can look for your entries. Here like that. See that? Candle body close above. Entries. Rejection like every other candle here. No entries. Entry, no entry. Entry, no entry. Entry, no entry. All right. LAC. What's happening with this? LAC is very bullish setup. You have a daily gap fill from what I remember. SHPH is hanging on, is hanging on. It's hanging on this $2. ARAB still downtrend. Downtrend. NWTN, let me have a look. Give me a second. Here's your key levels, NWTN. Key levels. Yeah, a lot of wicks. You see this, look. Strong top wick, strong top wick. The top of the wick is strong. That means there's a long, strong top wick. Top wick, top wick, top wick, top wick, top wick, top wick, top wick. That means sellers are in control. If you always look at candles, you'll know if there's a strong top wick, it means sellers are in control. If there's a strong bottom wick, it means buyers are in control. So that means whenever you see a strong bottom wick, price normally goes up. If you see a strong top wick, price normally goes down. Example, top wick, it's coming down. Bottom wick goes up. Look at all the candles, you will see. Look at something that has better price action though. Strong top wick, down. Strong bottom wick, up. Strong top wick or strong bottom wick, up. You see? Thanks to Israel made time's value. Time is value. Value. I hope everyone is learning. Yeah, Mara's maybe $19 around there. $19, maybe push up. Defo in a class. Yeah. LTBR. Not enough volume for me yet. But larger time frame setup is looking pretty good. So we have this. Here's my prediction for LTBR. Ran 23% yesterday, and today it's up 10%. Yes, VCIG news, correct, brother. Prediction on this is hopefully to continue to go up, right? We'll see. Let me just repost this link again so everyone can get in. All right, cool. SCHD, that's a new one, or was that ran yesterday? Right, SCHD, let's go to the daily. Let's look at the overall chart, even the weekly. This is called a top-down analysis. You start from the higher time frame, you go to the smaller. So what do we notice? Weekly, bullish. Daily, bullish. 4 hour, bearish, right? But look here. This needs to hold around this level here. We can use, this is the most significant level around here, this 27.75. So right now, as we explained, it's in a downtrend, as this is bearish at the moment. 2 other time frames are bullish, so there's a high probability it will continue to go up, but maybe good buys are around here. If we look at the daily, yeah, this is your major support level around here, maybe even here, $28. Let's use $28 as the support, because we notice that every time it gets to $28, support, up, support. Now, 4 hour, strong support comes down to here, good buys to go up, right? Maybe a falling wedge happening, but everything I see is always, there's always a falling wedge in every chart that I see, to be honest. So yeah, you have this, and then you have a demand zone as well. So keep this on watch, so it looks all right. Schwab ETF. Yeah, this is there. BKYI is looking good. Bullish pennant maybe. LIXT is just chilling. LAC chilling. SHPH. DJT. Yeah, everyone knows that one. VCIG. This looks good for entries. If this closes above, yeah, I would look for entries on this. You get a quick 5% in my opinion. SGD. What's happening with this? Nice run yesterday. Just a steady trend, to be honest. But as I mentioned earlier, a lot of wicks. You see this, a lot of indecision here. Strong top wick. All of this is too much noise for me. I like just a clean candle. But yeah, if this breaks this 406, maybe it could be good entries for today to push to this wick here at 450. All right. Okay, guys, I am going to head into the Discord. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate it. I hope you guys learned something. Please make sure to use a stop loss when you're trading. It's very, very, very important. All right. Have a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.